Watch out!
It's flooding! Move! Move uphill, quickly, to the stairs on the right.
Watch out for the water. Is this safe?
Keep it moving, let's go. Hold on tight, we're almost there.
Daddy, I'm scared!
Keep moving up, quickly. Everyone stay behind the barricades. Keep moving back, folks. Stay away from the edge.
Hold on tight. We have to move now before the next surge. Keep moving, the stairs are right there.
It's okay, we're almost there. Just breathe. We're safe now.
All right, everyone, keep moving. Single file, watch your step.